everybody, it is me, Jonathan. Yes, I said I probably wouldn't make some videos, but I did, because I'm talking to you right now. So, hello. So I got this idea from my friend Nora, because I'm subscribed to her channel, and yeah, what is that? Oh. I was just looking over, and it's something from Canon called Flash Classroom. But from the lighting, it looked like it was all squishy and weird. Yeah, here, let me show you a picture of what I saw. Probably not exactly what I saw, but it's humorous. So I got my idea from Nora, which is she was singing something from a line from King Henry. Except she was singing it. So it's the 4th of July, fireworks. So I thought I'd be patriotic and sing something from Patrick Henry, Liturgy of Death. So to the closet. If you want an idea or to sample my voice, here, let me sing something. Till the moment I found you, I thought I knew what love was. Now I'm learning what is true, that love will do what it does. The world finds ways to sting you, and then one day decides to bring you something to believe in. For even a night, one night may be forever. But that's alright, that's alright. So yes, here is my script. So I'm just going to sing this. I don't have a tune in mind, so I'll make it up. No man thinks more highly than I do of the patriotism as well as abilities of the very worthy gentlemen who have just addressed the House. But different men often see the same subject in different lights, and therefore I hope that it will not be thought disrespectful to those gentlemen if, entertaining as I do opinions of a character very opposite of theirs, I shall speak forth my sentiments freely, without reserve. This is no time for ceremony. The question before the House is one of awful moment to this country. For my own part, I consider it is nothing less than a question of freedom or slavery, and in proportion to the magnitude of the subject, ought to be freedom of the debate. It is only in this way that we can hope to arrive at truth and fulfill the great responsibility which we hold to God and our country. Should I keep my opinions at such a time, though fear in my giving offense, I should consider myself as guilty of treasons toward my country, an act of disloyalty towards the majesty of heaven, which I revere above all earthly kings. Mr. President, it is natural to men to indulge in the illusions of hope. We are apt to shut our eyes against a painful truth and listen to the song of that siren till she transforms unto us beasts. It is a part of wise men's engaged and great arduous struggles for liberty. Are we disposed to the number of those whose having eyes see not and having ears hear not the things which we see, or knowly concern their temporal salvation? Whatever that was a speech by Patrick Henry. What is this face? Well, anyway, don't have a whole lot to say. I'll vlog on Sunday. Yeah, I'll vlog on Sunday because I have some stuff about my weekend with Jelly Bubblegum. So, anyway, I love you all. Internet hug. Goodbye. And cue the outro.